Good morning, students. I'm Ms.M.PMohanapriya from RMDEC College, Assistant Professor. So today I'm going to take about the artificial intelligence. So introduction to artificial intelligence, subject code 24 AM 201. So now we are going to see about the unit 1. So what are the unit 1 subtopics are there? Means introduction, types of AI, ANI, AGI, ASI, narrow, general and super AI, the examples, AI problems, production system and state representation, application of AI in various. Okay, so all those things we are going to see in a briefly. So coming to the part of the introduction. So coming to the part of the introduction. So coming to the part of the introduction. So what do you mean by AI? AI is nothing but artificial intelligence. So what are the definitions are given for the AI? Means making machines simulate human intelligence. So coined by the John Mercier in 1956. Okay. So what are the field engine we are going to use in the AI? Means computer science, the psychology, neuroscience and etc. So what is the goal of the intelligence? Okay, what is the artificial and what is the intelligent? Artificial is going to make man of the intelligent. So you know about the as a human being how to work in the system, the computer system, but robotics we don't know how to work. We have to analyze the prediction and we are going to analyze the criteria and going to performing in the different functions and different examples you're going to execute as a manual product. Okay, so that is a call it as artificial and intelligence. Artificial is made to be the man-made and you're going to perform as a machine intelligence. So that is the stimulated of the human intelligence. Okay, so what are the types of the AI based on capability and functionalities? So two types of AI products are there. So capability function is nothing but ANI, AGI, ASI. So artificial narrow intelligence, general intelligence and super intelligence. Okay. Okay, coming to the part of the types of AI. So what are the types of AIs are they? Narrow AI, general AI, super AI. So what are the examples of given in the narrow AI, general AI and super AI? So focus and task specific things learns like a human and hypothetical self-awareness surpasses human cognition. And what are the examples you're going to establish of the AI? Means ANI, AGI and ASI of the function. Alexa, Netflix and recommendations still in research, scientific law, 9,000s of the Skynets. Okay, so these are the types of the AI. So key problems in AI. So KR is nothing but knowledge representation, learning and adaptation, and NLP is nothing but natural language processing, so predictions of version and planning and reasoning, robotics and motion. So all these comes under the key problems of the AI. How you are going to solve the real application of the world to solve the key problems in the AI. Now we are going to see the example of KR. So KR is nothing but knowledge representation, storing and organizing information about the world in the form that the computer system can utilize to solve complex problems. So what are the technique you can solve the KR? Means semantic networks, ontology frames, logic, real-time application. You can use a medical dialysis and as well as a chatbot is a good example. You're going to conversion of the KR, and then Google knowledge graph is going to represent as the searching result of the graph function. So this is the first example you're going to use in the AI model. The second example of key problem in AI means learning and adaptation. So what is the function of AI system to improving performance to the high over time the experience of the machine learning and deep learning. So machine learning, deep learning, both the subset of the AI. So what are the types of learning and adaptation of the function is supervised and supervised reinforcement learning, real-time application. So real-time application is a good example of the Netflix and YouTube recommendations, self-driving car and as well as the spam filter. So these are the examples of responding to the learning and adapting to the artificial intelligence, how they are going to improving and performing of the AI system function. The third example of the key problem is AI NLP. So the natural language processing is called as a NLP. So natural language process is a text recommendation and then speech recognition. So all those these comes under the NLP. So AI ability to understand, interpret and generate human language. So what are the component keys you are going to use in the NLP means syntax and semantic analysis and machine translation, sentiment analysis, speech recognition. So real-time application how they are going to use means Google Translate, voice assistant like Alexa, Google Assistant. So all those these comes under the one of the NLP using the AI. And Chat GPT is a conversion AI. You can use the text and as well as voicemail also. And then email classification is nothing but spam detection is also a good example of using the NLP of the AI.